Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my kitchen for another farm to school recipe kit video. Tonight we're going to be making braised cabbage and apples. And I've already prepped all my ingredients, slicing up my cabbage, my apples, and my onion. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is heat about a teaspoon or two of canola oil in a pan over medium heat. Yes. And then I'm going to add the onion to that. You can hear that my oil is already hot. So we're going to just saute this onion for a few minutes, maybe like 3 minutes, until it's tender. Okay, so now that my onions are soft, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And actually, I'm only making half of a recipe, so I'm only gonna add 1 tablespoon. You can add apple cider vinegar, maybe, or red wine vinegar. Or if you don't have any of those, you can just add white vinegar with a little bit of sugar to kind of sweeten it up. So I'm gonna stir fry that for a second. We're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so my onions and vinegar have been cooking for a few minutes, and next I'm going to add my apples. And again, we're just going to cook these in there for 2 to 3 minutes. The name of the dish is braised apples and cabbage, and braising is a method of cooking that's all about going slow, cooking slow over low heat. So you really want to take your time so that all these flavors can blend together and the food all gets really tender and caramelized and delicious. Okay, so now we're going to add our cabbage, and I'm looking at my cabbage and looking at my pan and thinking that my pan may be a little bit small for my cabbage. So I'm gonna add as much as I can. Oh, I'm gonna squeeze it all in there. Probably make a mess on the stove. Hi, Walter. You're supposed to toss to coat, but if your situation's like mine and your cabbage is overflowing, I wouldn't toss anything. And at this point you can also add more vinegar and some salt, which I think I'm going to do before I try to toss it. So once you've kind of combined this to your satisfaction, and you can overfill your pan like I did, because all of this is going to cook down pretty small. You're going to cover it and let it cook on low heat. I think low heat. Yes, low heat for 25 to 30 minutes, or even longer if you want, until it's all tender and delicious. It's been 30 minutes or so. And my cabbage is all cooked down with my apples, and it's delicious, and so very good. I hope you enjoy this recipe kit, and we'll see you again with another one. Bye!